Well, when you order a excavator off Temu, yeah, I guess it was too good to be true. It's $25. Thought it was $25,000. Well, let's see if the operator's manual for this excavator is any good. Jeez. They didn't order a comic book. Well, I guess that's a little better. Well, we'll get the building. I'll let y'all know how it goes. See how big it ends up being. See if I can climb in it and run it. Did say some assembly required. Didn't realize it was 1,000 pieces of assembly. Well, some things are too good to be true. Stay tuned, follow along as we build it. 126, maybe I can fit in that, I don't know. Maybe the dog will.